Hi all my beautiful babes, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Sherry, and I would absolutely love if you became part of the fam today by hitting that subscribe button down below, and also don't forget the notification bell so that way you get notified of every new upload I post. And as you guys can tell from the thumbnail, what we're going to be doing today is unboxing my June 2020 Ipsy Plus Glam bag. So if you're interested in what I got this month, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so if you don't know already, Ipsy has 3 tiers that you can subscribe to. They have a $12 bag, this one which is $25, and an ultimate which is $50, and they are monthly subscriptions. I absolutely love Ipsy. I feel that they do somewhat listen to your profile that you put all the answers to your questions on, and I think you get pretty decent products. Not for nothing, I really do enjoy Ipsy. I know there was a time in Ipsy where they weren't doing so well, but I think now they're back on track and doing pretty well. You get pretty good items, pretty good name brands, so I'm interested to see what we got this month. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut open my box and dive on in. And this is what it looks like when you open it. Discover yourself. We can always do that. We're always learning something about ourselves. A little sneaky peeky. Let's see if the card this month actually gives us prices for any of the items in the box, because I know last month it wasn't. Nope. It just talks about here comes the sun and things you can do to maximize your sunscreen and all that good jazz. So I'm gonna just go into the box and grab the first thing, and it is this Nacifique Fresh Herb Eye Cream with Candula. So I may give this away because I have quite a bit of eye cream from all my other subscription boxes, so I'm not going to open this or anything because I probably will put it in a giveaway. This does seem like it's a very nice product. It says it's made from nature with essential ingredients, and they believe in healthy ingredients for strong, healthy skin. And this looks like a very nice product. It's very lightweight, fast absorbing, achieving the smooth, youthful eye area, preventing dark circles, fine lines, and wrinkles. So that's always nice to get. And again, full-size products in this Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for $25. Back into the box. The next thing is, oh my god, I love Tula. I love Tula brand so much. This is a Protecting Glow Daily Sunscreen Gel Broad Spectrum Probiotic Skincare. And it says here, probiotics help hydrate and prevent water loss and help strengthen the skin barrier. It also has pineapple and papaya to help promote even skin tone, and has wild butterfly ginger root, protects against blue light stress. Good. I can always appreciate that. And basically this is just a sunscreen, and it says your daily SPF of 30 plus protection against pollution and blue light. The gel goes on clear, gives you an even skin tone, and also gives you a healthy natural glow. This is what the tube looks like. Let's squeeze some of her out. And that is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and blend her in. Oh yeah, look at that little glow it has. Very nice. See that one compared to this one, you can tell the difference in the glow. And it's very lightweight. And it blends in very nicely. It does not feel greasy. And it has no smell. The only thing I can say it smells like is sunscreen. So I'm really excited to get that. I love Tula. Tula is one of the best skincare products alongside of Elemis. Great product. So very happy to get that in my box this month. Grab the next thing in the box. and it's going to be this Ciate London Marbled Metals, and this is a metallic glitter eyeshadow in the shade Entwine. Normally I don't go for pot eyeshadows like this, but this is what the container looks like. It has like a little clear plastic protector thing inside of it. And this is what the product looks like. Very pretty. I'm gonna actually just grab a small little brush and put it on because I have nails, so I don't want to like dig my nail into it. I'm curious if I can just pick it up with a little small brush and swatch some on my hand for you guys. Oh, it's so pretty. So this is what she looks like. I can use that like a highlighter. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. Let's try. Put some in the inner corner and just see how it pops. It's so beautiful. I'm really happy to get that. That is just stunning. Oh my God, I love it. And again, this is what it looks like. This is what the swatch looks like. I did just go ahead and put it in my inner corner. I think that is gorgeous. And Ciate London has really, really good product. So into the next thing in the box. Oh, I'm so excited to get this. It's Haus Laboratories, which you know is made by Lady Gaga, and I love her. This is a La Riot lip gloss in the shade Venus, and it says Ultra Shine Lip Gloss. So let's pop her open. The packaging is just so beautiful. I love it so much. Oh my God, this color is gorgeous. I'll swatch some on the back of my hand for you guys and or gals. So beautiful. I'm actually gonna go ahead and put some right on top of the one I'm wearing. Girl. Shit, nice and juicy. I like this a lot. The color is beautiful. Look at that. I love it. It does not have a scent. It is very nice. Oh my God, I am so happy to get that. That's amazing. I love item in the box. Is the Laura Geller Urban Garden Central Park Face, Eye, and Cheek Palette. Really cute packaging. This is really cute. Has a little mirror, and it does fold all the way back, and this is the little palette. So these colors are very pretty. The camera obviously is not doing it any justice, but they are very nice, and I think it's beautiful for a nice little palette to like throw in your bag if you're going somewhere and you need to do your makeup in the car or something. This is a really cute palette. But I will be giving this away, so stay tuned for that. I will be throwing it in one of my giveaways. It's just not something that I would use. I usually gravitate more to my larger palettes, but I think this is absolutely beautiful, and anybody I think would be happy to get this. It is gorgeous. Not going to swatch it or anything. I'm going to go ahead and put it back in the box. I'll sterilize everything later. Sanitize, not sterilize. And then last thing in the box is the baggie for this month, which is a nice like material to throw in like a beach bag or something, so I can appreciate that. But this is what it looks like, and it has a little yellow little tassel. I do like giving these away, so if one of you guys like these little bags, let me know and I'll be more than happy to send them to you with a little bit of goodies inside. I just don't use them for anything, so other than that, I am really happy with what we got. Let's recap. Laura Geller Face Palette, Ciate London Marbled Eyeshadow, Haus Laboratories Beautiful Lip Gloss, the Tula skincare sunscreen for your face, and an eye cream, which I will also be putting in a giveaway. So I'll put that with that bag. So guys, stay tuned for my next video. It will be coming up soon. I have quite a bit of content coming up for you guys. So I would really appreciate if you give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you didn't like the video today. It just lets me know what you like and what you don't like. And if you can please leave a comment, let me know what you think of the items I got in this box this month. Or if maybe you got the same things, I'd love to know. And also, you know what? Let's give something away in this video. How about that? Would you guys like a giveaway in this video? Just to say thank you, because I love you all so much. You have no idea. Words can never express how much I appreciate every single one of you guys. Let's give away a palette in this video. Okay, so let's give away a palette in this video. Let's give away this one. This is a palette by Alter Ego. It is called Daydream. I will show you my open one. This is the one that I use. So this is mine. It's actually so beautiful. And this is actually a dupe for a Huda Beauty palette. And I think it performs super amazing. So if you're interested in winning this palette, let's say if you got to this point, okay, and you know about the giveaway, let's make a secret comment. What can it be? Let it be mermaid to match my background. So if you got this far and you want to enter the giveaway, put the word mermaid anywhere in your comment and that will enter you into the giveaway. I will let it run for a week, we'll say. So a week from today, we're going to go ahead and draw the winner. And some rules you need to know about the giveaway. Your comment must say the word mermaid somewhere in it. You must be subscribed to my channel. I will check. You must like or dislike this video. Totally fine with me as long as you do one of them. You must also be at least 18 years old. You must live in the US or have a US mailing address. Also, I just want you to know that YouTube is not affiliated with this giveaway at all. My money has purchased this palette myself. YouTube has nothing to do with this giveaway. I am not responsible if it gets broken in transit. And I think that's it. So just make sure you're subscribed, like or dislike the video. Leave me a comment with the word mermaid and you're in. So I hope you guys have fun doing this. I love you all so much. And I just want you to know also, when I get to 200 subscribers, I'm also going to do another giveaway. So stay tuned for that. And until the next video, guys, stay safe. I love you. Bye.